So here I am, top shed. The more observant amongst you may notice that I've now removed the windscreen with the intent now of cutting out the vinyl to go over the top. So this, some of you may notice, right, this is a shallower section than it is on like a standard MG, because this one's a US left to right hand conversion, as we've gone through in many videos before. So this is what I'm going to do now, is I'm going to make a template. So what I've done is I have got some what they call Sealex, which is an adhesive sealing cord, which I just got from a hardware store. I've now mapped that on the inside of the rubber seal, so that it doesn't obviously go under the seal and it's not short of the windscreen, because you can see where the original one was, which was here, which was shy of the windscreen. So it had turned up at the edges and didn't look very good at all. It was all cracked. So I did the one on the other car, so I thought I'd do this one, but the template that I had for the other car doesn't fit this one. And when I took the vinyl off the other car, the vinyl all came off in one piece. It didn't rip and tear. This one just came off in pieces. So being an older car, I suppose, not that much older, but older. So I've now cut out a piece of paper, brown paper, which is roughly the same dimensions as the vinyl that I've got. So I put that just on the edge there. It just sort of sits there right on the edge, and I'll fasten this down with some masking tape so it doesn't move while I'm rubbing a bit of pastel crayon over the top, which my wife kindly donated. Thank you very much. So I tried it with chalk initially and that didn't work too well, so I'm hoping that this works a bit better. So it's there. So as you can see, that is pretty darn perfect. So there you go. So that now, that pastel, that mark now dictates where the vinyl has to be cut. So I'll just remove this, get a pair of scissors, stick this to my vinyl, and the vinyl may be a bit wider, so just so I catch these edges here, I will just move this template up to the top. So I hope that gives you an idea of how I've done it, and yeah, how it worked. Alright, so just a bit of what they call Sealex self-adhesive tape goes underneath. You map that out to where you want the vinyl to go to. Put a piece of paper, I just put brown wrapping paper over the top. Secure that so it doesn't move while you're doing it, and then just get a pastel, the chalk didn't work too well, so that's why I went for the pastel. A nice little purple pastel-y colour, matches the bodywork. But anyway, there you go. I will now go and take this to the other shed and I will cut the vinyl out and then glue it on and roller it, and that'll be the job done.